welcome y'all to our Let's Play Power Hour class. This one is just so much fun. It can be used for any kind of childhood photos. It could be birthday parties. It could be at the park. It could be hanging out with your friends at any age. It is just so much fun, but not super childlike colors, which is why I think it's going to work for just about any kind of photo. All right, as always, we want to get all the cutting out of the way on a Power Hour class. Okay, we're going to go over the diagrams, and it's super easy in here. After that, I'll do a video of me cutting my pieces apart, and we doubled up on the borders in this one. Remember, with the circles, it's always a 1 1/4 inch punch and a 2 inch. The only two sizes we use. All right, you have a ton of 6x6 fun sheets that are exclusive to this kit, and we're going to cut up a couple of them. And then you've got some black cardstock to use, and it's super easy to use as well. But you're going to build your kit from the ground up, get all the work done, get all your pieces cut out, gather your photos, and then adhere all 20 pages at one time. So let's start with these to show you how easy they are. All right, so one of the arrow ones, we are going to take, it's showing the arrows pointing down. This is how I did mine, the way these are pictured, but you obviously can turn yours any way you want. So we need a 4x6. So that's going to give me the 4x6 here. And then down here, we need two 2x3s. So we're going to cut it in half, but we want notches out of both ends. So I'm going to pinch those ends together and do them at the same time, and then cut my piece apart. And when you do that, it saves a step, but it also makes sure that they are even. All right, so there is that one. The second one, we've got the arrows pointing off to the side, and a 2 inch piece off is all you need. So there we go. Knock that one out too. All right. These are going to be the same cuts with the black multi-dot. Super easy. So a 4x6. We're going to cut notches out of both ends. Whenever possible, we're going to try to do our diagrams like this where you can actually see the paper that's being cut. And this one, we were able to do it. So sometimes that can really help to get a visual on which one. So, and as always, I tell you to check off your diagram so that you don't lose track of where you are and then miscut. It's the little things like that that can make a kit come together much easier. All right, so we just have this piece of black cardstock left. There's notches out of both ends. So I'm gonna do the same thing we've been doing. I'm gonna pinch this together, try to get them even, and then cut my snip out of both sides at once. Okay. And now I need a 6 inch piece and two 3 inch pieces. So I'm gonna measure it 6, and then I'm gonna measure it 3. And that 2x3 in the middle stays that size. All right. Easy, right? That's all the prep work we had to do, and one piece of 12x12 craft. We need two 2x12s and two 4x12s. So I'm going to start with my 2x12s. So I'm going to take it from 12 to 10 and then to 8. And then this one will get cut in half, measuring at 4. And that gives you two 4x12s and two 2x12s. So that is it for the cutting for Let's Play Power Hour. Okay, next we're going to show you how we put these pages together, and then make sure to join us live on our new Facebook group, Scrap Live with Kellers, and we're going to talk about this kit and show you sample pages with photos on them to go on these cute layouts. Thanks, y'all.